What's good, y'all, man? It is your boy Sniper Kicks. In today's video, man, we are going to talk about tax deductions. Yes, we're talking about tax deductions because at the end of the day, in 2022, taxes will affect everybody that resells sneakers, especially if you sell on StockX, Gold, eBay, you send payments through Cash App, Venmo, all those places. If that is you, make sure you watch this entire video because you do want to deduct your taxable income and save some money. So guys, this year the American Rescue Act is taking place, and once you hit 600 bucks of income, again, 600 bucks of income, you are going to be hit with a 1099K. And a 1099K basically states that this entity gave you income, and once you hit 600 bucks, that entity gives it to the IRS to be like, hey, Sniper Kicks, I gave him $1,000 for these shoes. Of course, you have to pay taxes when you make income. But what a lot of people don't realize, when you're actually selling shoes, there's actually expenses involved. Like for instance, if I sell a Off-White Jordan 1 and I make $5,000, the IRS is not taking into consideration that I spent $2,000 to actually obtain that shoe. So just because I made $5,000 doesn't mean I actually made $5,000 in profit. So this video is going to be extremely important because I'm going to give you guys the top 5 tax deductions that all sneaker resellers need to actually put in place when they file their taxes. And the first one is easy: cost of goods sold. So guys, you have a sneaker business, you're making a lot of money, and of course all the money that is coming in is not profit. And it wouldn't be fair for you to get taxed on all the money that's coming in. So cost of goods sold is very important because it's going to actually deduct the money that is coming in. For instance, I sold $10,000 on StockX. And from all the shoes that I bought, I actually spent $5,000 on shoes. So when tax time comes, you're going to subtract that $10,000 from the $5,000, and that will give you $5,000 of taxable income. So you see why this is very important, because you want to keep money in your pocket and you want to keep track of your business expenses, because at the end of the day, I'm going to say it again, you want to save money. The second tax deduction that all resellers need to take in consideration is, of course, mileage / car expenses. So a lot of times when you're reselling sneakers, you have to drive to the stores to pick up the shoes. You got to go to different events, and all that driving is tax deductible. So I'm going to give you guys 2 things that you need to make sure that you are taking in consideration. Because when you're deducting your taxes, you can either do it with the mileage or you can actually do it with the car expenses. So I have an app called QuickBooks Self-Employed, and that app actually tracks every single mile that I drive wherever I drive. And a lot of times, a lot of my driving is for my business. So with that app, I can actually track, okay, this was for business. I have to compute the amount of money that is tax deductible so I can deduct that from my taxes. So that is one thing that you can do to deduct your taxes, is actually miles. Or you can actually do the car expenses, meaning insurance, you paying for the car, you know, having to, fix your car to get to places, the oil changes. So you have to be organized to see which one is more beneficial and which one you'll save the most money. Again, guys, I am not a CPA, but I actually did a great live with Not Your Dad CPA, phenomenal guy. So guys, make sure you watch that video, but make sure you're giving this information to your CPA. Again, I'm just giving you guys context, but I'm not an actual CPA. Number 3 is shipping. As you guys know, us sneaker resellers are shipping things constantly, and shipping can be a heck of a lot of money. Trust me, I spent tens of thousands of dollars last year in shipping, and all shipping is tax deductible income. So make sure you're keeping track of every single penny that you spend on shipping with USPS, UPS, even subscriptions. All that is tax deductible. So make sure you're taking that in consideration so you can lower your tax bill. The number 4 thing is office expenses. Yes, guys, office expenses is tax deductible, and this right here is where you can save a lot of money on your tax bill. Office expenses are computers, a printer, your pens, your boxes to actually ship things out, anything that you're using for your business as an office supplies. are tax deductible, 100% tax deductible. Make sure you are taking that in consideration, because I know a lot of sneaker resellers are using their laptop. They're using all these different things to actually get their shoes sold. Again, it's printing as well. So guys, make sure you're organized, because I want you guys to save money. And the fifth thing is something that is extremely important, and I know a lot of sneaker resellers are not taking this in consideration when it comes to taxes, and it's their home office. Guys, right here, my sneaker room is my home office, and that is tax deductible. Again, you cannot write off your entire home, because your entire home is not used for selling sneakers. But if you have an office, or you have a place where you're storing your sneakers and actually doing business there, that is tax deductible. Again, talk to your CPA to get the certain percentage, and you can lower your tax bill on that. So guys, I'm just giving you guys context of what is going on and where you can save money. And I'm going to give you guys a bonus one. I'm going to give you guys a bonus one that a lot of people, again, sneaker resellers are not taking advantage of, and it is cell phone and cell phone services. Yes, we use our cell phone all the time to get on TikTok, get on Instagram, try to sell shoes, put it on OfferUp, put it on eBay to try to get our shoes sold. And similar to your home office, you can write off a percentage of your cell phone that you use for business. So make sure you're doing those things so you can save money. And also you can write off the percentage that you're using on service as well, and Wi-Fi and all that stuff that you're using to actually sell shoes. So this video was just a quick recap of, the different things, the top 5 things, and I gave you guys a bonus of, certain things that you need to take in consideration when you're doing your taxes and actually deduct that income. So what the IRS considers as a tax deduction is any business expense that is ordinary and necessary to actually create profit or create business in your business. So guys, make sure you're doing everything possible to actually lower that tax bill and keep money and save money and put money in your pockets, because a lot of people that are doing their taxes are leaving a lot of money on the table. So again, guys, I am not a CPA, so make sure you get in touch with a CPA to make sure all your books and everything is right, because at the end of the day, you want to save as much money as you can. Really appreciate you guys for watching this video. I will do more videos on taxes. Smash that like button if you want me to do more videos on taxes, because 2022, the American Rescue Act is in place, and many more people cannot fly under the radar, and you will have to pay your taxes, or hey, you might get audited. So really do appreciate you guys. You already know, Sniper Kicks out. Peace.